Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make Smashburger Smash Sauce. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for being here today. I appreciate you joining us from whatever platform you watch this show on. Like I said, we're going to be making Smashburger Smash Sauce. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We have got 1 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of sweet pickle relish, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, half a teaspoon of Montreal steak seasoning, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, and a 1/4 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Let's mix it up. All right, we're going to start mixing her up here. We got our mayonnaise, 1 cup. We got our ketchup. We got our Montreal steak seasoning. We got our sweet relish. We got our paprika. We got our Worcestershire. And we got our Dijon mustard. Recipe is in the description box. Yes, there is a description box on shorts. So little dots, hit the dots down there and you'll see the description. And therein lies my recipe. Link to the recipe right there. Here we go. Beautiful smash sauce. We got some burgers and onion rings going on. We're gonna plate that up with that. We're gonna come back, we're gonna taste this. Don't go anywhere. Alright, we got a beautiful burger and some onion rings here. There's our smash sauce. Let's go ahead and show you what that looks like there over on the camera. Sticking right to that onion ring. You can see everything in there. Let's give it a taste. Creamy mayonnaise. Cut of that acidity from that ketchup. Got a little bit of acid off that mustard too, that Dijon. The Worcestershire in there kind of brings it all with the savoriness. Cayenne, not cayenne, but the paprika. So, alright, I'm going to go ahead and do our burger. I like to dip my burger. I can put the spread on there as well, but dip it right on in there. Take a bite. The relish really makes it. You don't have to throw pickles on there. Gives it a really nice tang. One more bite. Yeah. So winner, you don't need to buy all these expensive sauces when you go out to fast food. You ask for it nowadays and they're asking you to pay for it. Make it on your own. Get the recipe right here down in the description box. We'll see you again real soon. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.
These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from